So actually the battery is here inside, okay, a really tiny one. And this one I still need to fix it, but yeah, this is for the lights to put it on and off, okay. And here I can have the lock for her to lock the bike in. So yeah. I don't know. Yes, okay. So this one, I need to fix it there. I need to make like a plate or something so I can hold it there up. You know, just here, like this. Let me check if it's on camera. Yeah, barely. So let's do like this. Voila. Now like this. No. Okay. Saying it's just put it over here. So, okay, let's try to show it. Okay, this one. So, the idea is that this one goes here. Okay, like this. Oh, really? Like always. Okay. So, okay, what I was saying. This one is going to go in here. Okay, I need to fix it, of course, and da 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 da. But this one, but then this one, it goes in here like this. Tack. Okay, of course now it's not hold it, but that's gonna be my kilometer teller or speedometer. Yeah, speedometer. So that's all. That's all for it. Where it's coming from? It's coming from a from a bicycle. Okay. Yes. So it doesn't matter. Whatever works, people. And that's what I'm doing with this bike. That's why, remember, I'm gonna say many times through the video, remember this bike is made out of many parts, okay? And no parts that aren't even drive. So, yes, okay, let's keep on going. That's what I wanted, and now I need to just fix it, and voila. So that's the idea, yeah. Right now. Yesterday I wanted to film this, how I made it, but guess what? I didn't have this camera. And anyways, I did. Wait, I take a piece of carton, okay, and what I actually did is carton, okay, the same from the front. then I smash it, pa 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 pa, I give it some curve, and that's how it looks right now. I weld it, of course. I didn't try to make it pretty, not at all, so I just welded, that's all. And I think I'm gonna scrap it a little bit, but just leave it like this, raw. And I did this hoop, well this is, you know, so this one can go, because normally it go even further out with the original cover. It should be somewhere here, I think, but I like it here because then everything is closer. And now the next thing is to let's see what it is. Of course, fix this one there, but here I make a hole, and in this one too, and then this should be like this, stay like this, okay? But I said it before in one of the other videos that this one was touching already, and I need to make the bend. Let's see if it's on camera. Yeah, yeah. So the bend, this curvature actually must go to outside and then go in, and this one goes in and then out. Doesn't make sense. So let's fix that, okay, and then modify this a little bit more, make it even rougher, and then that will be it. So there we go, people. I hope you like the video. Yes, she's not running yet, and I mean test ride, okay, but at least all the main work is done, like this one and the other one and the cover, and the cover I will need to modify it, by the way, because now if I pull the clutch, it's touching the cover just a tiny little bit, and it makes that noise. So I will modify it too a little bit, and yeah, I hope in the next video she's going to run, like fully run, like test ride, and hopefully on the road, back on the road. So and I need to check the oil pressure too of the engine, just tiny little things. So I hope you like the video, and remember, like, subscribe, share the channel, okay, with everybody you can, okay. You can help the channel by buying me a coffee, okay, somewhere here, I guess, hopefully. And by a super thanks, okay, underneath here somewhere you can click on, and yeah. And yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, and see you in the next one. Ciao.